first installment of the Brubaker Files. I'm your host, Doug Green. I'm the service manager. Each installment, we're going to show you something a little bit different about the buying and servicing experience when you come to Brubaker Chrysler Jeep to have your vehicle serviced and maintained. Now, most of you already know, down there is our showroom. That's where you go to pick up your car, get your keys, and you're on your way. Up here is our service department. Here's where we take care of your second largest investment with factory trained technicians and people that know your vehicle. Let's go inside and meet the crew. And here is our service department. You come up to the desk and meet one of our two gentlemen. We have Brian and Travis,
Hello.
both of which have a lot of experience working with the service department. They know how to treat customers. That's why they're here. Now, when you come in, you'll have a concern. They'll take your concerns down and they'll put it on a repair order. Something else they're going to do is tell you what your vehicle needs as far as maintenance. Everybody knows you change the oil and rotate the tires. What else do you do? Well, you could go to your owner's manual about page 378, but it looks like reading stereo instructions. And I only look at the manual whenever something's wrong. Sound familiar? What we've done is create a service menu that spells out very clearly what your car needs, when it needs it, and the price. You'll get one of these every time you're in, and we'll check the vehicle out to make sure that it needs something. Now, again, like I said, oil change, tire rotation. What else needs to be done? How often, for example, should you change your cabin air filter? What is a cabin air filter? It's a filter that protects you from breathing in debris from the outside. This is what a new cabin air filter looks like. This is what it will eventually look like. You want to breathe in this stuff? I don't. We'll tell you when. Now, once your vehicle is written up by our service advisors, it's dispatched to our Chrysler certified technicians. Let's go back and look in the shop. This is our parts department where you can pick up genuine Mopar parts and accessories. This is Brian and Mike. Say hi, guys.
Hi there.
And over here is where we work the magic. The technician gets a copy of the repair order with the concern. He diagnoses it, brings the concern findings to the service advisor, who then deals with the concern. You're in the best hands possible here. So that's the process when you bring your car into Brubaker for service. We keep it simple and get you back on the road safe and sound. On our next session, we're going to talk about what happens when that annoying check engine light comes on. For Brubaker Chrysler Plymouth, I'm Doug Green.